Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ade Oladeus, okay, and you are actually watching the GLIMS Media YouTube channel. So today I want to show you how to install your plugins or your themes from your cpanel. Alright, sometimes you may be trying to upload a theme from your WordPress, okay, your WordPress dashboard, but then you might be having some difficulties in trying to achieve that. Alright, this is my student work, having a challenge trying to install install a plugin known as Try Visual Editor from his dashboard here. So what I'm going to do now is to show you how you can install any plugin from your cpanel, you understand, without requesting for assistance from a professional. Alright, so I'll just go straight to File Manager straight up. I'll go straight to my File Manager. Alright, I'll go straight to File Manager, then I'll click on Public HTML. Public HTML is actually your website, okay? So I want to upload these plugins on my website, so I'll go to WP Contents. Alright, then I'll go to plugins. I won't go to themes because what I want to do here is what? Plugins. So I'll go to plugins. Alright, so I'll just click on upload. I want to upload a file known as Try Visual Editor. Alright, so I'll select the file. And then I'll select the file. I'll click on open. Are you getting it now? So I'll click on open. So it's loading right now. There's no how stubborn the plugins may be. Even if it does not want to upload from your dashboard, which is your WordPress dashboard, it will definitely upload from your cpanel. There's no how stubborn it is, and if it does not, then something is definitely wrong with that software, or that plugins rather. Right? Like I said, I'm doing this for one of my online students, alright, having difficulty trying to upload this. So I would like you all to learn from it so that you will know how to go with, do all of these things. Now you're seeing it now, it has shown this green, this thing, which means it has entered. So I'll just click on go back. It will start fetching directory. So the Try Visual is actually here, but then my desktop is actually covering some things here. So all I just have to do now is to right click on the folder. Alright, then I'll now extract it. I'll extract the file. Before I extract, let me show you something. Now you see that there are some folders here, Mailchimp and the likes. They are actually plugins that are installed here. Alright, so I want to have a Try Visual as part of this folder. Are you getting my point now? So what I'm going to do now is to extract it. I want to extract, so I'll just click on extract. I'll right click on the Try Visual Editor, and then I'll now right click and click on what? Extract. So I'll extract files. It's very simple. Alright, then I'll close it. Alright, all I have to do now is to check whether my Try Visual is already there. Okay, it's not here yet, so I'll just have to refresh it. I'll reload this file. Let me see if it's now showing. Yeah, Try Visual Editor is now showing from this cpanel. So all I just have to do now is to, it's not here. You can't find it here on the WordPress. So I'll just refresh it from here. I'll refresh it. Try Visual is used to design sales page normally. Alright, so I'll just have to refresh my WordPress. It must show. Alright guys, so all I just have to go now is to go to my plugins. I'll go to plugins, and then I'll now activate it. I'll activate the Try Visual Editor. try visual editor. Where is it located? Alright, so this is it. I'll have to activate this so that it will show here. Alright, it will show. You can see it now, the try visual is now showing. Alright, so it's very simple. It's very simple. So if you have any challenge like this, all you just have to do is to go through your cpanel, and then you now reinstall. Alright, you reinstall. Okay, so this is just how to go about it. So if you have any other question to ask, you may ask me. You send me a message on WhatsApp. I'm always active on WhatsApp, and if I don't reply on time, just give me some time please. I will definitely reply. So this is just how to go about installation of plugins from your cpanel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do that, and if you want to join my online session, my online website designing training class, you can actually send me a message on WhatsApp. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel.